Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change Twitter handle. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Twitter app, then over here you can see on your top left corner a profile icon. Tap on it. There you can see my Twitter handle is @Rivera216Lily. There, to change it to something else, here you can see the option of setting and support. Tap on it. Tap on setting and privacy thereafter. There you can see the option of your account. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of account information. Tap on it. There you can see the option of Rivera Lily username. Tap on it. You have to change your username, so your current username is this. Change it to something else. There you go. Add one number. You can change it from here. Make sure you get a green mark like this. Then only your username or your Twitter handle will be changed. Therefore, then tap on done. Your username has been updated successfully. Now you can see over here, before it was Rivera216Lily. Now it's Rivera2016Lily. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.